is product f3967. This is a Croft product. Croft makes some exceptional high-end quality pieces. This is the Croft 5110 Planet Cupboard Knob. This particular shade is the chrome plate. We do many shades, so please check our website to see which ones we have available. The diameter of this is 27 millimeters. The protrusion is 30 millimeters. All the cupboard knobs are provided with a 1.5 inch threaded bolt, which screws in from the rear of the knob. You can cut this down to size. This cupboard knob comes from a traditional design, yet is still perfect for our up-to-date modern lifestyles. As you can see, it is so beautiful, so high-end, a beautiful piece to finish any cupboard off.